What is up, everyone, and welcome back for another episode of Don's Lawns. If you're new to my channel, I'd like to tell you thanks for watching. Make sure you hit that subscribe, tap the bell, and follow me on Instagram and Twitter at Don's Lawns 1. I recently put out a video where I was talking about fertilizer options for summer, and I mentioned XGN and I mentioned Greene Effect. So I figured I might as well put them to test right here on the Bermuda lawn. I will be applying a ½ pound of nitrogen via the XGN, and then I'll be following the absolute label instructions on the Greene Effect to apply that right here with the orthodilin spray. Both of the products that I'm using today can be found via my share a sale link in the description down below at the Yard Mastery website. So XGN, it's a super awesome, great, controlled, kind of slow release, continued release type fertilizer. It's got a lot of natural benefits in it, hardwood biochar chicken litter, 4% iron, the list goes on, but I'm not going to get into that today because I have a different video that you can watch about it linked up above. So like I said, we're going to apply a ½ pound of nitrogen with this 818 XGN. That means we're going to put down roughly 7 pounds per thousand. The Bermuda lawn is exactly 1,000 square feet, so that means I just need to spread 7 pounds. So I've had a lot of people ask me, yo, Don, why are you going over your lawn in 2 directions with your spreader? What are you doing? You're over applying, you're putting too much product down. And the answer is no, because I measured out my product and I set my dial on a lower setting so that less product comes out during the spread. So I basically am spreading the same amount of product over, but in 2 directions, so I get a more even spread, more even distribution of the product. Same amount of product, just takes me longer, and it's more evenly spread. And it's time to do a little Greene Effect application. The label says 8 ounces per 1,000 square feet. I promised you I'm going to follow the label, so today I'm spreading 8 ounces per 1,000 with the Greene Effect. If you're interested in those products that we use today, please make sure you check out the links in the description down below. I have a share sale link to Yard Mastery. That's where you can find these. The Greene Effect is a 700 product, and the XGN DIY is 818. Both of them have iron in them. The XGN has 4%, and the 700 Greene Effect has 6% iron. So I'm looking forward to seeing the results of these in the next 24, 48, and 7 days. Keep watching this video. You're going to see those results right now. So there's a definite color response from combining the XGN and the Greene Effect. I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. As always, hit that like button, tap subscribe down below, and follow me on Instagram and Twitter at DonsLawns1. I'll see you in the next video. Best of luck in the lawn.